Hey, welcome back to another episode of Johnscryptotherapy. Today we're going to look at the Omi token on the 4 hour. We're going to do simple price action, guys. I've showed you exactly where price is going to go. Once again, this is the best channel for Omi trading and of course, crypto trading in general when it comes to the Omi token or NFTs. I am going to be trading a lot of other coins like Bitcoins, ETH, and all of those fun stuff. So if you guys do like that, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. For today's purpose, we are going to be looking at the Omi token, reasons why there is a lot of Omi investors that are running away from the project, which is not a bad thing at the very moment. Reasons why the price is bearish. We are seeing a lot of sentiments going towards the downside. And yes, there is going to be key levels that we're going to buy, and I'm going to be talking about those levels as well in this video. So right now, guys, I've even explained to you what we are seeing in price action. So we had a beautiful sideways channel. We did project this to be a flag formation, a bearish flag, and we've seen a beautiful break of this cup and handle formation to the downside of channel, and of course, a dramatic selling opportunity. So now we do have this channel, and we came back towards the downside, and we said to ourselves, hey, we're looking to sell, reasons why we're making lower lows and lower highs. Once we broke, we seen a beautiful retest, we got into price action towards the downside. I left off the video right here, guys, and I wanted to show you what is important or how to read my charts or my analysis the right way. We're going to use the replay button right here, guys, and we're going to go back to structures roughly around here. And once we do this, what did I project price to do, guys? This is exactly where I left you guys off, and I even told you guys we're looking for a key retest. We want to see structures being retested in order for us to look to sell, in order for us to get the confidence price is going to go back down. Right here, if we do trade, we're in the middle of the ocean, and I do not like trading in the middle. I want high probability trades, and that's why we wait for our key levels of retest on resistance or of course on support. So what do we do right here? We do absolutely nothing. We're waiting for our opportunity. Trading is important, guys, when it comes to waiting for the right opportunity. You do not trade every single time you see whatever you like or whatnot. You need to have simple rules, but rules that make sense. You need to make sure each rules count and apply towards your trading, and in order for you to take that trade, all these rules and steps have to be met in your criteria. So once again, we needed our criteria to be met, so we're waiting for price to go towards the upside. Right here, yes, you could have gotten into a selling position. I would tell you there is high probability for this trade, but of course we waited for it to come back up to the upside once again. So you guys can see price did not come all the way to the top, but that's okay. We need to put our structures together and understand there's going to be other patterns and other structures. Right here, we had a double top or even a triple top, guys. Triple top is giving us confirmation. If we take a sell here, there's a high probability price is going towards the downside. If you are a simple pattern trader, or if you like patterns and you want to understand patterns, what you could do is draw your symmetrical triangles, draw your patterns that make sense in this criteria. So there you go. You have your pattern. Now you have a criteria. You have a rule. You do not want to take a trade until what? You see this pattern getting broken. Not just that. What I do like to explain to everyone that knows how I trade, I do not like to get into the trade when it breaks out right away. I don't want to FOMO into a trade. I want to see a retest of that structure to give me confirmation this is a strong structure, then I'm going to look to sell. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how it's going to look like. And of course, there's other indicators that I use, and I'm going to be talking about the Ichimoku cloud as well to give us confluence why this is a beautiful sell. So I'm going to put the Ichimoku in right here, guys. Ichimoku cloud is showing us that we're only bearish and bearish as it is. In order for us to be bullish at any moment in time, we need to break above this cloud to give us high probability opportunities for the buys. But because we're within the cloud or underneath the cloud, that's resistance. And of course, we have a triple top and of course the key zone of resistance. This is the beautiful reasons why we're looking to sell, not buy Omi at the very moment. And we will wait for that key break once it's suitable for that trade. So once again, we're going to wait for that break. Break did not happen, guys. Right here, price is respecting this beautiful symmetrical triangle. And this is why we don't enter these type of trades. Why? It's not giving us confirmation that the break occurred yet, guys. So we're going to wait for that key break, and if we get that break, then we will enter a selling opportunity. Right here, guys, we had a key break. Are we entering the trade right here? No, absolutely not. We're waiting for that key retest, guys. If we do not see that retest, there's no point jumping into a trade. And right here, if I take this as a zone in the market, you guys can see price did go back up towards the upside. If I am taking a selling opportunity, stop loss maybe above this zone right here or above the Ichimoku, take it towards the lows. So let's see exactly how it plays out. We have a beautiful retest right here, guys. Now, there you go. That would be a beautiful entry candle. You go to a lower time frame, execute your trades the right way. Even if you got into a trade, you put your stop loss somewhere above here or somewhere that makes sense to your risk to reward, you take your trade every single time, guys. A lot of people hesitate about getting into trades. Don't hesitate. Once you see the right opportunity, enter your trades. Once it meets all your criterias, be like a robot, get into your trades, be ice cold, because in order for you to be successful in this industry, you have to have rules. You apply your rules, take away your emotions, and let the rules take over everything, guys, okay? So let's let this trade run and let's see where exactly it goes. There you go, guys. And of course, our key level where we're gonna look to take profit, I even mentioned towards the zone. And this is why we take key profits right here, guys, because we don't know if it's going to break below. Now we hedge our trade, take some profits, and now we're gonna let it run if you do believe it's going to go a little bit lower. And the other reason that I wanna bring back to this chart is to give you guys an understanding price could go up to the upside for a short period of time. Reasons why we came back to a key level, we can absolutely see a pull to the upside. Reasons why I'm saying this is if we come to this level and we put an RSI, and this RSI is a beautiful indicator when you're looking for divergence. And divergence is such a great tool if you know how to use it or really understand the principles of how to trade divergence, okay? So first off is first, a lot of people will get confused with this. Just go here, guys, go to your line graph, and right there you see that beautiful move. So first off is first, let me get this right here for the RSI, and the RSI is showing me price is actually going higher in structure. And now when you look at the price in general, what is the price doing? It's going lower. That is showing us a beautiful bullish divergence. So that means technically we could technically see price going towards the upside, maybe retesting the structure or maybe the beautiful Ichimoku cloud. Then we can see price going lower, retest, then look to sell. This is my strategy. This is the strategy that I'm implementing in towards Ecomi trading or the OMI token trading, guys. Very simple. Let's put in the Ichimoku cloud as well. And you guys can see the cloud is going just like this. Maybe we could retest the cloud, give us confirmation before we go back a little bit lower, guys. This is the beautiful essence of how to trade lower lows, lower highs. Follow the trend. Let the trend guide you. Do not hesitate. Let the trend guide you. Do not force a position that doesn't make sense, guys. Right now, we're actually at a double bottom with the divergence. Yes, we can see price going up towards the upside. Where can we see a key reversal? Of course, we can see it maybe towards the upside, but now we created a new lower low and a lower high or equal lower low. So this lower high is been created. So guess what? Price has two things it can do. If it is trying to go lower and it needs time to go up because we have a bullish divergence, and if that is the case, we could see prices targeting these levels right here of 0.00127, retest, maybe go back up once again at 0.00129, then of course we get that dramatic break towards the downside. Regardless, guys, if it breaks right now and it doesn't do a pullback, that is totally fine. All you got to do is put your alerts, wait for your opportunity. You do not have to get into a trade that does not make sense. If we do see a break towards the downside and we do have that confirmational retest, then guess what? Don't hesitate. We get into that trade off of that pullback towards the downside. Of course, there's different mechanics when it comes to trading. I make it seem simple, guys. There's way more to it when it comes to being a professional trader. I try to make trading simple because guess what? Trading at the end of the day should be simple. If you guys do enjoy this, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, guys, it's not financial advice. This is just what I do for myself and what I provide towards my top students and how I make my students become professional traders. If you guys do want to become professional traders or have any kind of questions, please make sure to email me. And other than that, thank you so much. Take it easy, and John out. Peace.